How to set up Gmail account. First, you want to simply open your Google over here, and once you're inside your Google, you want to simply tap on your profile picture over here, or the profile looking icon. If you don't have an account as well, you want to simply tap on switch account, tap on add another account over here. You want to simply tap on create account over here, and if you want to open for your personal use, you want to simply tap on for my personal use, or if you want to open for your business, you can tap on for work or my business. We're going to open one for personal use. You want to simply tap on for my personal use, add your first name and last name over here. Here you want to simply give your birth date information, that you want to select your gender over here, and you want to simply tap on next. By doing so, you'd be able to create your email address over here. You want to simply tap on any of one of the available option, or if you want to create your own, you can simply tap on create your own email address as well. Type it out over here, and you'll be able to tap on next to select your Google account. And you want to simply set up your password over here. You want to simply choose a strong password, and once you have selected your password, you want to simply tap on next over here, tap on next again, scroll down and tap on I agree over here. As simple as that, you have successfully created a Google account on your Google application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.